Okay, so this is just a quick video, just looking at a simple idea of opening a file. So we've got a definition that I've called file opening, and the running bit for file opening at the bottom. So opening and printing a file is what we want to do. So just simply opening a file. There are several modes you can open a file in, and one of those modes is R, and R is for reading, and that's what we want to do in this case. You need a file name, so we've got my test file .txt, .txt being the extension for text files. Now I've then used a variable to hold the contents of the file. So I've opened the file up, so it's open. I've then allocated, allocated is the wrong word, assigned is the correct word, of course. I've assigned the contents of the file to this variable called this text. So this file.read, it's reading the file. Now I've read the file, I can close it. And so we've just gone this file.close. We can close that file. We should close the file because otherwise it will just remain open and it could cause us problems later on. So we need to close the file when we finish with it, and I have finished with it now. And then we can simply print the contents by printing the variable this text, because that's where all of them are. So if we run this program, then you can see all it does, it doesn't offer you any options, it just opens a file and prints it. The file in the file is, this is a text file, and then some asterisks, and just for fun, and we've printed out the contents of that text file. Your text file should be in the same directory as your program. So if it's in the same directory as your program, it's just going to find it like this by reading the file. Okay, so that's a very simple way of opening a text file and printing the contents.